Welcome back, everyone. Wanted to go ahead and show you guys how you can add a countdown web part to your SharePoint page. I'm sure you could think of all sorts of use cases that you would use a countdown for. Maybe you're doing a countdown to someone's birthday, or maybe to a huge rollout for your business, or maybe for a work party. Who knows? But if you want to go ahead and add that countdown, just come over to Edit, and we'll follow the same process we have for the other web parts. We'll click on the plus to add our new web part. We can search countdown, and we'll add the countdown timer. And this is how it's going to look by default. So we can say Michael's birthday. And then from here, we can go ahead and click on properties or edit properties. And we can go ahead and choose the date that we're counting down to. So we can say it's on Halloween. Or maybe we'll change this to Halloween. Halloween. Okay. And then for this, we can go ahead and we can put midnight. And we can also add a call to action if you want, so we can link to something. So in case you have maybe an article that you're trying to link to advertise, this is what's going to be happening on Halloween. You can go ahead and do that. Get ready to dress up. Okay, and we can also choose to add a background image if we want. So let's go over to stock images and let's search. I don't know if there's any Halloween ones. Oh, there is. Okay. So let's choose something spooky. Let's do, that's fine. We'll just add some pumpkins. Ooh, there we go. So we can go ahead and adjust how opaque we want it to be. So depending on the background or depending on the color of the image, it may make it hard to see the text. So for us, we'll make it a little bit darker so that it's easier to see. But you see, if we have a lighter overlay color, this kind of doesn't look as good in my opinion. So I like the darker because you can still see what the image is, but at the same time, it's still easy to see the text. You can also display the timer as days, hours, minutes, and seconds. You can change it to days, change it to days, hours, and minutes. So whatever fits what your countdown is supposed to be for. And then once everything looks good to go, you can go and click on publish. And then as we scroll down, it will continue to count down until Halloween. Hope you guys found this video helpful.